right? Where should I show this? There's also, how big of a view is this? Ooh, it's actually not. I'll do the out view for now, because it's kind of low. Ooh, nope, you take parts inside. Just the original handle, and it looks like this one is a 1982. However, seems to be a 1981 design. April 7th, 73 movie. But it also says T82. Has a newer Ford A. Looks like there's no 8452. Something like Rio? I don't know. Here we go. April 5-2. Corky. Can't tell, right? It says Corky. This could be from 82, 83, or 72. Or 73. Let's see, then the minimum and the maximum line. Let's see what it's set to. More than the minimum, but looks like it's been set above the max. Oh, it's set above the max. Looks like it's set actually not above, but to the max.